What's up, everybody? Mark with Ecom Warriors. Today I'm going to be showing you guys what is a good homepage design or front page design for every Shopify store that you has. This is a fail-safe method, okay? And let's get right into it. So you guys know every theme I use, or most themes, most times I create a Shopify store, I'm using the Wolf of Shopify theme. You guys want to use the Wolf of Shopify theme, use the discount code down below. I've talked about why it is beneficial. And guys, don't hold it against me. If you click on the link down below, the pricing might change. It might be $100, it might be $159, it might be $125. I don't know what the pricing is. It changes. Right now, the price is currently $100 from what I can see. But if you use the discount code, 25 bucks off, okay? Now, I've talked about why this theme is beneficial. Number one, you're not only going to save money on your Shopify fees because the apps cost a lot of money. You're not going to need any apps for this store other than the obvious free ones like the review app, things like that. But, you know, it takes a lot of that out, like the costs. And the second thing is it produces higher conversion rates. If you haven't seen some of my conversion rate videos, you should check them out. I'll add one of those videos in the cards in the top right corner, okay? Let's talk about the actual design. So this is the Wolf Shopify theme. It's a very, very nice theme. What you're seeing is the current design that I recommend most brands to take advantage of. This is a simple design, but it gets things going for a conversion standpoint. And I actually found that most times this works perfectly. I'm going to go ahead and pause the screen. I'm going to open up the Shopify editor to go ahead and show you kind of what it looks like. All right, guys? All right, give me 1 second. Okay, so I have the editor available here, and this is the design that I'm going to recommend, like I said, most people to go ahead and take advantage of. All right, so the first thing that you're going to want to do, I'm going to get rid of this little pop-up here. The first thing that you're going to want to do is get all your pop-ups done. So your sales pop-ups, go to theme settings, go to add on someone purchased, okay? And these little pop-ups on the corner are going to be these products that you add here. You can add a total of 9 of them. You can select how long ago they bought and where the location is. Remember, the golden rule is select the top 9 products that are selling the most on your store. Select all the locations that you're currently advertising to or that you're willing to ship to. Okay, and the second thing is keep the first 4 pop-ups under 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour time. Okay, now the first thing you're going to want to do is remove this cookie thing. This cookie thing just affects user experience. So the way you do that is you go here, theme settings, and you just search for the little thing that says general data. Add on general data protection. Remove this. These 2 little checks, remove that and hit save. Okay, you should be good at that point. Then, all right, you're going to have your menu on top. That's obvious. You're going to have your search bar and your cart. If you're servicing multiple locations, you want to have the translation, the language translator. If you want to see how that looks in real time, go to the Wolf Shopify theme, hit this little C theme demo, and I'll leave this all in the link down below, guys. Okay, and it will take us to the theme demo, which is right here. This is going to give you the option to not only change the currency converter, but also change language. So language translator, you guys can see here. Currency converter and language translator. It's all built into the theme. All right, now let's go back here. Design of the theme, okay? After the header, you want your hero banner. So there's different ways you can set up the hero banner. Let's just look here. Slideshow is the best one. So slideshow, well, they have a bunch of different ones, but you hit the add section, you look for slideshow, okay? Slideshow, and what you want to do is you want to have either 2 options. Showcase a certain product or add a certain discount to a certain product style. So it might be a certain collection, hey, 15% off, select products, whatever the case may be. And you want the banner to go ahead and showcase that. Right after that, you want to showcase a product grid. So here I used a 2x4 product grid, so 2 products by 4 products. Okay, that's 8 products, that's good enough. And there's a button on here that says shop now, okay? Right under this product grid, you have what's referred to as a split banner. To get this, you just hit the add section and you go to images. So there's different kind of image text with overlays. Image with text overlay number 2, you hit add is where you're going to get this split banner. Okay, guys? And then right under the split banner, we're going to do another showcase of another collection. In this case, it was swimwear, and shop the collection. All right? Little few tips, and also right under this, obviously the Instagram with clickable products. Okay, obviously I didn't have access to the Alpha Elite Instagram page, so I couldn't link the products. But that's something you want to do. You want to add your Instagram clickable products, where you're gonna might even say shop the look or something like that on here with a shout out to your Instagram page. Okay, so little few tips. Never let the background image affect the way that your text looks. You want it to be readable. You want it to be working. You want it to be looking good. Okay. The thing that pops up here is a little slider. You're gonna see here. I used. Where is it here? Let's see. Progress on the shipping bar, you could add that too. Here, the section that says add-on before you leave, you're going to see it, guys. There's this little thing on the right side of the screen here that slides in and says, hey, before you leave, use this amount of discount code. Same thing. You don't want any kind of text being mixed in with the image. You want it to be perfectly viewable. That's tip number 1. Tip number 2 is always, guys, take the time to have really, really clear photos. You could see here the theme looks really, really nice that I created here. This is what I was talking about with the slider, okay? This boosts conversions. This little slider here, make everything readable. You want people to be able to read it, okay? What you're looking at here, guys, is really clean images, the way they look, the way the photography behind it. Listen, if you're doing drop shipping, if you have to spend the time, the money to buy a product, bring it to your house, shoot some photos, maybe send it to a photographer, do that, guys. It makes a huge deal on conversions at the end of the day, along with mixing it with a really good theme like this, with a Shopify theme. Okay? There's so many things you could do here. If you guys want inspiration, go to wolfshopify.com or click on my link down below. If you decide to use it, obviously use the coupon code, enter it here, enter the promo code here, but hit See Theme Demo. When you click on that, you're going to see different demos. This is the demo that they have available right now, and they're just, it's a beautiful, beautiful website design, okay? There's different ways that you could do it. I'm going to make more videos in the future on designing the websites and things like that with Shopify, and I just can't wait to share that information with you guys. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any comments or anything, leave them down below. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.